No document proves who named Anaheim. The tidy online story misleads. The name splits in two. Anna points to the Santa Ana River. Heim is German for home. Together, it means home by the river. German vineyard settlers grafted their word for home onto a Spanish river name. That mix is what makes it specific to this exact spot. The Historical Society dates the naming to January 13, 1858, at a stockholders' meeting, and credits Theodore Schmidt with formally proposing it. Here's the twist. The meaning is settled, but the spelling is not. Sources still disagree on what came first. One account says colonists preferred Anaberg. Another says the colony first wrote Anaheim with two N's, later softened to Anna. Both versions are documented. No surviving ballot or colony minutes fix the vote's exact wording. When a story online resolves every detail, it's usually smoothing over this gap. Drive down Lincoln Avenue today, and you'd never guess a Spanish river and a German word are layered into one name. For context, Anaheim's citywide median in June was around $954,000, with homes moving in about 36 days. That describes the whole city, not any single historic home. Eyeing a home in Old Anaheim? I'll pull the tract records and close sales. History's linked below.